In this video, I'll show you how to create a private membership website or internal office portal in WordPress, completely no code. When someone submits a form, a WordPress user is created automatically, assigned a custom role, and gets access to private content only. This setup is perfect for internal office websites, client-only portals, or private communities. Instead of public pages, everything stays private. Only logged-in members can access it. First, we create a custom user role called Private Member using a user role plugin. Second plugin has more users, so use that. Activate the plugin. Head to User's Admin menu and click on User Role Editor. Create New Role. We give this role permission to edit and read private posts, but nothing else. Now we make our content private. Let's make 3 to 4 private posts. All posts on this website are marked as private from status option in the right menu under Post tab, so only logged-in users with the right role can see them. You can see private written in front of title for private posts. Last post should be public, so we'll change that name and publish it with public visibility. All 3 posts are made. Next, we create a simple registration form using Bitflows. This form will collect basic user details and trigger the automation. Create a form, add some basic fields, or use a template to fasten the process. Save this form, create a new page called Member Login, paste this shortcode there. Now comes the automation. Using Bitflows, we trigger a workflow as soon as the form is submitted. In your Bitflows panel, click on Add New Flow. Give it a name. Add trigger as form submission from the search on selecting Bitform application. Oh, there are 2 contact forms. We should change name of the member login form. Come back once that is done, refresh the page, and select that form. Let us test this now to see if the form submission is working. We also get a dummy data to work with for our flow. Click on Listen. Head over to Member Login page. Submit the form. Come back to the flow. Check if the form submission has been captured or not. It seems to have been captured. Next, we plan our action segment. Click on plus icon to add action. Type WordPress. Options show up. Select Create User Action. Map the field from the form to the user fields. Generate password automatically, and save this. Now we can check the content in an incognito window to first see if these posts show up for logged out users. On checking the private post, we do not see that post. We see a default image of the default theme. On checking the public post, we were able to view it. Now let's log in as that user. First, we need to set a password, as the data was dummy data. Click on John 1 User, scroll down, add password, and save. In the incognito window, log in with these credentials, and check if we were able to see the private post now. Yes, we can. Log out from your account. You will not be able to see that private post again. So this works to make a private membership website. This is a functional tutorial only. Design is your work. This concludes the tutorial. Hoping you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. Take care.